Kaunti cia mwaka ukite kukursiwa mbungeni ya Senate mayenda mauthukumio yonthe alama atiukiwe mavathiwe ilovia. Munini wa Governor Masaku Francis Mwangangi enda miao yatiwe mbee wa kukuna muungutho ucio wa mukuka ku kaunti ya Mombasa yambi ya kampeni ya kukitana biasala u. Na kuiseso ya kumbania mathiko mandwa na mamwingi alama no iwe Garissa serikali niende kaithini ke uvungulu wa mugo isione i.
Runingi wa Maovo.
Ni na udhocha inginye ni tawa masikita kauloni ngile Maovo kwanzia meko na Keni Sharon Dinda kwa cheni na Maovo alama nekiwe kana maovinduku alama nekiwe muthanyani wao kwa mbelilia ni chama cha Wiper mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni kwe umundi undu ni wa vikasi kaloni sia mbunge vala speaker Mbilu akiumia utui wa kunenganenga likoya ala aingi kwithana sikalo uti ula wanengane kwena miao na mavalua ula watumwaniwe mwandiki munene wa chama cha Wiper Shakila Abdalla naende ayenda ma MCA kuma chamani cha Wiper mambe kwithiwa na kana mambe kwithiwa mayane sia na kumba nani kana mavikie kwithiwa maitethe kana indi ona uyo voni chama cha Wiper na chonja vikia kwithiwa kiyele sia kana niki kwithiwa kinengane mungamo wo ivindani ukite livo chumanito niwe Caleb Chalo.
Woni wa maundu meile muthanyani wo mundi ucio kalone cia mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni. Honorable Kisungi wa Katete kalile kivila cha Ndongo ya Laingi ulotu ye mwanyani usu Honorable Chalo Mumo MCA wa Tulimani akiunga mote ndo ulotumia membo mu mbunge no akikulia kitumi chake cha kuunga makando na valoso ngiye na kwasaka na mwanya wake ni wosiwe.
I am standing because I found my seat occupied, a seat that is designated for the leader of the majority party, Mr. Speaker, and it is not common, it is not the habit, Mr. Speaker. So I am wondering why that disrespect.
Ndio na vamuno uspika wa mbunge ino Douglas Mbilu no lasimikio kumukulia Honorable Chalo Mumo kwa samwanya wake vila kingi na Chalo Mumo ya lasimikasi oke kuitina.
Chalo Mumo
utongo imwe na MCA macha makecha Wiper makeka thotu wa speaker ulowetie kanande na mwanya wake katiba wa kutangaza utongo yumwe indi ni utu wa chama.
Number 20. We need from 8 and I want to repeat. So as follows. A member elected under paragraph 7, whether majority leader, deputy, majority, or the deputy, may be removed by a majority of votes of all members of the largest party or whatever party in the county assembly.
Members of Wiper party in this house, and they are all seated here. Out of the 24 members of the Wiper party, we have 13 members out of 24 who have preceded or who have gone ahead to surpass the 50% plus 1 as stipulated within the standing order number 20. In this context, Mr. Speaker, it would be very interesting that our own speaker cannot be able to differentiate between 11 and 13 who are more.
We have lived as orphans in this house, Honorable Speaker, because of selfishness. One person who wants to live on his own and live on his own. He is the only leader in this world. He doesn't know that he needs to discuss with fellow leaders on how to lead a party, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this constitution of the party is very clear and we can't make about it. Honorable Speaker, the standing orders are also very clear. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. We have taken up the party of the majority leader, Kisungi wa Katete, is my deputy. She is the whip. And he is the majority leader of this party. So, Honorable Speaker, a party a letter wrote by the Secretary General, well, we are going to handle it there, if there is any. If there is any, Honorable Speaker, don't be worried about the letter from the Secretary General of our party, because that one, leave it to the party owners. We don't have a problem with that.
Valo ilo kwatie umwe kuma kweula utue majority whip Magdalene Mulwa na unge kuma valave olosa kuiweta majority whip Joyce Mwende ama eleti itumisyo sya kwithame mwanyani usu kana kulea na kumwe mwanyani usu valua wa katatu we kuma kula kwe secretary general wa chama cha Wiper Shakil Abdalla akuletia memba mambo kungamya ki na kwete lotu wa chama methana muvuthu yukite yukila kiendeletwe ni mwoloto kuma kwe utongoi wa yulu wa chama cha Wiper. Caleb Chalo, Mutongoi TV, Vilingi wa Maovo.
Unenania muvyoni wako sewa kavindani kaki kaloke mwana chama seneta cha kunenanisya mutalatala wa wani wa mbesa sia kaunti ndeni wa mwaka ukete wa kisilikali ndeni wa budget shilingi bilioni mana ana katono imweni suivadhiwe kuwa ni wa silikali sia kaunti balama seneta makulia silikali nene yekidhia kana maudhukumi onde alama atiukitwe ni katiba ni manewa ilovia sia udhukumi na ilovia sia kaunti kunengana we ite kuselewa mwendi kituwa Movo kuma musini wa Ilovi Benjamin waka etuele sembe yange.
Bunge ya Senate kwa mwonde ni avitukidhia kimanza cha shilingi bilioni mana na katuno imwe kila kithwa kithiani wa silikali sia akaunti kuungamia udhukumi silikali ne ndeno wa budget yukite ndeno wa kikaloki mwana kwa mwonde maseneta ni makathi ya kuongeleka kwa Ilovia vala mathingilela vato wa silikali nene kutio cha maudhukumi on the county.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the formula takes into account the following parameters contained in the third basis formula: population 18%, health index 17%, agriculture index 10%, urban index 5%, poverty index 14%, land area index 8%, roads index 8%, and basic share index 20%.
It is okay today that we have come from recess to appropriate money to our counties. It should be okay when next week or the week after we go to those counties to find out how this money that we have sent the counties is being utilized without there being any problem between senators and governors.
Senator wa Makueni Dan Manzo, Agnes Kavindua mudhamu wa kaunti ya Masako na Enoch Kiyombo wa kaunti ya Kitui ni maweta vayingwa kitumio na kimwe maudhukumi elima vata uemi na sekta ya witi maende kutongo kuma serikali ni akati kwa kuvikia umundi maudhukumi alao the maileitha moko ni mama governor.
I see the county of Kitui, Mr. Speaker, is among the top 10 counties that are receiving quite some share of the equitable share from the Senate. And as a national government appropriates for national government, the Senate is appropriating for counties.
The biggest problem, Mr. Speaker, has been health and agriculture. A lot of functions are still held at the national level, Mr. Speaker. And for that purpose, Mr. Speaker, it is important that we encourage the government to fully devolve agriculture and health.
The counties are paying the doctors, they are paying many other things and buying the medications and building new hospitals here and there, and yet the funds are not enough. And so I request the national government to devolve more funds on health and agriculture.
Kwa wasio mama seneta ni menda Ilovia siai wa serikali isi county itiukwe ite kuselewa nongana kuikithia maudhukumi ma budget ya serikali sia mitiuko maina kwama.
We have a treasury in Kenya that is only serving the purposes of the national government and nothing else. They don't listen when we make the necessary noise for counties to receive their monies on time. When we pass the schedules here, they don't listen.
My county of Nairobi is getting an additional 850 million shillings in terms of their equitable share of revenue. And I will later be bringing a proposal here, Honorable Chair, that I'll be making an amendment to the Sports Act. I want to propose that these counties must be forced to allocate at least 1% of the money that we send to them for the support of registered county sporting associations. And my governor will have no excuse because now I have given him an additional 850 million.
Na kuangaliko yake mwini wa mwene kivila zamani ya mbunge ya Senate ya Kinandu Senator Mwolote Mwandu Tabitha Mutinda. Duenda serikali isi ya county inenga mustali wambe kuyo madhie yani pending bills vala oingi county sia kulyo sikase ndino kolanywa ko twamusi yani on source revenue no kana kuendesya maendeleo vate kuvingisika.
What I want to urge the different county governments is to focus not only on development, but also on the animal called the pending bills animal, Mr. Speaker. This has been there for the longest. Our people are suffering. We have given monies to the counties. Governors are not paying. They are playing politics.
I saw Governor Kangata sharing an idea on how they've collected a lot of money in Murang'a County as own source revenue, and request our county chiefs to also look at that in as much as national government is sending money to counties, let them beef up on their own sources of revenue so that we supplement those efforts collectively and steer this nation forward.
Vilingi wa mauvo kumava countini ya Ilovi. Nye nita wa Benjamin na mwaka.
Ende muve mwana mundu Benjamin mwaka tuisonga na mbena ke munini wa governor kauntini ya Masako Francis Mwangangi ni waelesea kana ona kutuika mukukani wetete ukuno munene kwa amuika vena vata wa miao ila ya ilite kwa tiwa mbe wa kukuna mungu tumeina udhosya wago kauntini ya Masako kituminiki munini wa governor ni waelesea kana serikali nimekutongoesya wala ni wako samaoni ni kana kumanya usungio wathi na wa utumeiwa mukuka kauntini ya Masako kwane na chathini cha mathiko ma Paul Mutiso Ndeto kisioni cha Kamuthanga ward ya Mua Machakos Town 90 tukatene na kemu andikito movo kuma kauntini ya Masako Daniel Mongela.
Munini wa gavana na chathini cha mathiko kila cha Yova Kamuthanga ni waeleseta serikali ya kaunti ya Masako nimekwitha maitu menzela sielete kimeo kuthinikia thina wa mukuka na kwigithekana maina tulamuya onomwe ivinda na mesa kunya utwi kukonia uthosya na utumii wa mukuka.
Ngewela mukuka is a serious thing. Kile treat it so fast. No propose. Twisi mukugondo okweka population particularly population imo ziawela sibaya china ekaitwa temya well ichikila hii ngewela mukuka as much as it is active kwa temya wewe unaona ikarash tabiki bunye Mombasa na coastal counties cha ripoti Wadai serikali kwa inasema bandai wengine hapo wanasema bandai kaitwa kila right to let na kwa yetu Kenya kama na waitu serikali yenyewe account bila kuanza kuingia baina any issue it will not ma anybody lakini hiyo ndio we are committed.
Wavinda nini wathana kana nimekwitha maitu aisio na nina ene wa kuosa mawoni kana public participation nikenda alame ukwata mbau kukono kwa mungu wa mukuka kwiyumilia na alame uleana unamo kwiyumilia na itina kutumia mio ila ya ilite vate kwekia ukaliko nomwe kuosa matambio alama ilite.
Very soon the county government ya Masako nitiuka kula moyo tumukulie donga wea mukuka mwenda mutwe muyumya tiwo nange mayazi ene omya ikanakuwa ati wizere ya pena mutaratara matukwa katiba kate na ko is so open so nondo katiba kiasi ya public participation public engagement allow us we follow that route so that we make informed decision, a decision that is good for our people.
Uwe ukaivindanila isiosi kivoni vande ya Kenya siende na kuendekithia utumi wa mukuka ukunwa mungu nikienda kuitana utalo munene wa mwika ula ukuoneka ulikite utumi unusu wa mukuka na kukunika muno. Daniel Mongela, Mutungu TV, kumva Kamuthanga mwa kauntini ya Masako.
Nende tuitiana na livoti usu yake mundu idan tukunikilo livoti koneti udhosya wa mukuka vala serikali ya kaunti ya Mombasa ni atangasa kwambisya kampeni ya mithenya 10 ya kuleana na kulikana kutewa kwa mukuka vala mekwithiwa maithiuka isioni kumathuthia na kumavundisya enende uthuku wa utumii wa mukuka. Kampeni hii ithiwa itoiwe kaunti sionthe cia Kisuani vala makwatianite kwikithia kana ni maleana na mukuka kuyana na munini wa gavana kauntini ya Mombasa na ula ni Francis Thoya itambia yeyeuka itina wa President William Ruto kwithiwa aivuthisha kukomana na atongoi kuma kauntini ya Kiswani konia maundu makonetie utanithia wa muguka na indi ni vala maweta kana muma yetikila kwithiwa maikomana nake Minister Muveani wa Uimina ulani Mithika Linturi. Ripoti yake Angelina Mose.
Ni wa governor wa kauntini ya Mombasa Francis Toya no kuetakana kampeni eyo kaitina President William Ruto kwithiwa ate kukwatia kukomana na ndongo cia Kiswani kunena nsi etambe yo ya kuliana na muguka vali kampeni ya methenya 10 makwithiwa maithiuka isioni kumathuthia NND amwika na ciana cia skulu thuku wa kutumia muguka na niki mailete kuliana na guo kulika ndini wa kaunti cia Kiswani memwamba.
Watu wetu wakikataa kula leo wakisema tu hawali muguka, story imeisha. Hata ukaenda mahakamani ukafanya nini, at the end of the day it will just be stories. So tumegundua kwamba we need to get to our people. Tukiwaelimisha ni kama mtu unaenda kumwambia usile sumu itakuua, si ataacha, tajua ni kila taniua, si basi. So we believe if we focus more to create awareness on the effects of muguka on our people, watabaki wao huko Embu na Meru wakila huo muguka na Miraha.
Campaign ina ile kwithwa yito iso ndini wa county cionthe cia Kiswani yithwe yosanya mawoni ma NND kusukumisho kwa lulo kwa crop amendment bill ni kana kumya muguka na Miraha mumea ula walete kuikwatwa ni NND.
Mimi nashangaa. Kwani kuna lazima gani tule muguka? Hii lazima nini? Kuna mtu lazimishwa kitu? Wewe umesema hutaki. Sasa tuambiwa lazima mtakula. Na ujue how a government can be insensitive. Kiongozi wa serikali anaambiwa hii mmea unawadhuru watu mahali, anasema naenda kuongeza pesa huko. That is the highest level of insensitivity. We did not expect it will come from the highest office in this country.
Ni matula motiva nene serikali kwithwa yito iso sikalo cia mwanya na ndongo cia Embu na Meru kukonia muguka na kutia itina ndongo cia kaunti cia Kiswani valatho ya watula mutendongo cia Embu na Meru kuoneka ila asimithia mukuka kulika kauntini cia Kiswani.
Serikali kuu imeamua kutupuuza. Imeamua kufanya nini? Kutupuuza. Rais ameshakutana tayari na watu wa Meru, wa Embu, na jana amekutana na watu wa Meru mahali muguka unatoka. Sisi ambao tumekuwa tukingoja tumeonekana hatuna maana. Sasa tumesema hakuna shida. Serikali kuu haitaki kutusikiza, so tumeamua swala la muguka sasa sile tutena. Swala la muguka sasa ni la wakazi wa Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Tana River, Taita Taveta na Lamu.
Kavindani kaundongo ini siawetakana yitikila na vanini kutoa isia sikalo na Minister wa Uimina Indo Mithika Linturi kunena isia kilingi isiki atio President William Ruto ametekikalo newe mwene. Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Nayo isasoya kumbania mathiko ma andu ana kuma ngalikoni ya mwingi ya uthuiloni wa SUA alama na oigwe ni andu matesikie kuya Dadaab kauntini ya Garissa ni matoiwe na indi misi ya andu a yasia kana ni maise andu mavata muno misi ni yoni kwithiwa ni mo manasometha ciana na kukwata mbau misi ingi ni makulia serikali kwa Islamu vya mugu wa nthini ithime kana ithinikie maundu makonetie uvungulu wa mugu elemetani ya yulu ya nthi ya Kenya na kusimana na imamai ila inatoa isi kiko kini mauvo mumbani tuniweli na Mosangi.
Nito tambuka misini kivathukanyo na vala mivango ya kuthumusiana alama na isi mathayo mo itina wa kuvithukiwa na kuwa kisioni cha kuya Dadaab ni kauntini ya Garissa yendeye na vala makuikwatiswa kuthiumusia umishoni wa wiki u.
Mutumia tu anandie nzeve mutumia wakwa na ni wana tutethea cia ithive weru na thukuma kwikwaje witu ne iwe na no na ndiana ciana ile ciana ici cikwenda usoma na mahitaji mamwe citwina mo mengi pio la ane endethecie
Alex Mutuku
nikana kako kakeli kwa kusiao nako kana tusukuvi
utumia wakweta wa Alex Mutuku Mutemi ulona ndiye nina tiana inya nakangwete inati wako kena mirinya tatu awana iwe kwatio hapa dina nawe kwatio ange ina uyanita anaguo
misi kivathukanyo yatutiwa ni maweta tamena ukono munene na vala ciana icio cikwatitwo muno micini kwoo na muno kavindani kalama na thukuma mawia ma miako ile mbetani yu ya Northeastern.
Mwana wakwa niwe mwana mukuu na mwana wakwa kuma na mucia nivina niki nake muno baka kubika utwarika wanahila na mutwaye skulu amina kilasi 8 na mutwaye skulu naona mathina ala twainamo na mia mama ndikwendea na kusoma nenda ninga bukume kenda tutetheanisye tuone kasi ana ingi no sitonye kusoma na namwia obutinda ni wali akusoma ni watia bisi sukulu ambia mama kanga bukume nina mulekile na ikuthukuma mwana wakwa ni tunatetheanisya muno na nuna ndetha ciono mwana otetha cienya ona na mutabiata nuna mbiwa nundu nina wana we sukulu kukwenda bisi nuna ndethesya bisi na nundu gukwitu kukamba twithiana nzambingi muno kila kwigiwa kana kukakwa nakea obutinda twinakea kana ambia mametelanga na kwata kindu ningutumia
ni kumana na kivala makule serikali onduma na andu mangoya ula umavikie kulikila na kuikithia ni matethesya misi na ila yu yatiwa ni endwa mo na alama na mekwatitie muno
na ni wangu mikite na unikulia serikali nundu nyekana kukakwa nikandie mangwate kwoko nundu nindiwe na ziana ingi zi sukulu na ndikuwa notethya ongi ninawo mbewabu matendethe
ni kuja kwati serikali indethesye kuondone tonyo kwata aki ya mutume ucio wakwa na kusomithia ciana icu nundu wikwaji wakwa rina ciana isomithia twinake icio cikethwa undi witu
kenda ndu itonyo tetheka kuya itethwe
tona mathingilila kana vena vata munene wa serikali ya katiku ikithe useseini wa ilangwa na muno kavindani ka enenzi ala methe wa mavikite kisioni kiiko thukuma mavithukia wanakuwa wa mivango ya siathi cia kumuma cia anala manavikia kwa semathayo mo kisioni cha Dadaab ni kauntini ya Garissa wakatano muthelu itina wa kuvithukiwa vandu vala manathukuma no yende na valayu ene misiala mavikia kutiwa ni endo mo mavikia kukule serikali ikithe ni alulumilia muo na muno isioni cia Northeastern ondo mana kuikithe kana ni mavikia na kuthethe so kemikalile report ya vlingo mauvo kuma wodi na chomethana mwingi othelo ni wasua kauntini Kitui ni Lina Musangi
ende muve mwana mundu ili na Musangi livoti su yake tutwanthini wa uthiomo wito wambe
tene kuyaila isi kuona usimungalu andu mabanda makesa uketha mbua hiyo kuo kwa wingi
ni maundu mevala tutonya kwika twakwata kiu cha kuimando
pe maundu maingi wambe ula wila isi pe tutila twenza wa moko
maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimina mbua imwe kasila katwasete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuika ile u ithimba ya imi
thina yu avawitha ne kuestablish kana ciambo kwata lakini ona cia kwata yu ukaokethia ni ciatwa miiba sana kuma kwina thina muno
bumango ni ciondu ndinzo ri fiber ri ndinzo ila uya ri mbali cio na ri moyo muno yembe yake ri tawa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wile ukethia wala ri mwene weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple niweza ama yinu no ri na moyo
ithi ala twikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda ilobia yoe twetele ibinda rya ile kana twithike nthini wa wimi wa kiumuthi tukuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutachio nde bandu wa imwe ninyo
ni kwata at least lump sum ukethia wese kana kiu chathi na maana monza kana chethi na maana tatu ene
Kimu witha uto no tata mbese na
list ni maana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho
lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo wiyani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usija ciendu ciakwa etha ni ng'ombe inengiwe liu nesa iya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndatika miongo ena cia wiyo winake Steven Mwema pa Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Mukamba ni wezi uimani udhui na kwa uondo ili iteko batethia uima waku. Rafiki Herbal Clinic ngua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nizo kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongo etie kwa uiti mwithianu na ndawa sikiwe ukunikili wa ki-science kuikithia ni cia ubosia na siena udhu mwini waku nizo itama ukivadhukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, kwalone malenyu na arthritis kwa mbatoni ndakame kulea kusia, kukosa vina wa kiume, mauma kikonde, asma, mauma mitambo, fibroids, sukali na uwangi komana na Dr. Mwithia ewe mwene wakwambelili wa matuku 10 mwa thandatu Makendu Eagle House kati wa Nyikini Hotel na Coast Hotel wakele matuku 11 Mulolongo kuthangiana na 3D Hotel kwa flyover ya Yellow wakatatu matuku 12 matu stage Ilobi kuthangiana na Kinato booking office wakana matuku 13 Twikitui Mulimol ngoloba ambe obisi namba 54 wakatano matuku 13 Masaku Complex Inn kuthangiana na Rafi Supermarket na wathandatu matuku 15 Tumotomoko wa Francis Yanda mutha online stage kwa mavombe angetu thoke mobisini maitu kanotu kunesi mukwesila noti muonza imwe ile itatu kana noti muonza na noti muonza noti kenda noti Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Kalibu ngethini wa mesa itu ya mauvo ni uvucho munene kwi enenthi isioni cia Matungulu kauntini ya Masako ala methiululukite kima cha Oldonyo Sabuk National Park na kithitwe na unyamacho mwingi kumana na nyamu cia kithekani itina serikali nene kwambia iseso ya kwikia wiyo kimaniki MCA wa wodi ya Cheleni Grace Bahati Zora yuni wenda serikali nene kwisilamu vya wa KWS kwikithia kanani yeki ya mivango ya kuiva enenthi kumana na nyamu ila siana ngale una ngetha cia enenthi ta malai kati wa ingi kuma kimaniki yanena ki kavindani kalawa kwatiania na maofisa kuma KWS kuma kisaseni cha Oldonyo Sabuk vamwe na makivo na athukumi ofisini wa muyumbe wa kiliombunge cha Matungulu kwa muthenya wa keli kunena niana kuosa maoni ma enenthi yulu wa milati ila ivaniwe kwambia kwikia wiyo olivo tumani tuniwe boni motesi.
MC Grace Mbati awatakana ni tambia ilathi kwithwa na uniku munene kwi mwene nthi kwithwa ingi manyama itu ni nyamu cia kithekani vinda ya saa walu serikali kongelela matambia ngi ta kwiva ene nthi ala manangi oliuo ni nyamu ta malai kwithwa mundu amwe ta mate wala nyowa kwiva ene nthi ala manangi o malio kana indo cio ni nyamu cia kithekani
no munthi twina utanu mwingi pio kwa national government kwisilo visini wa mheshimiwa witu mheshimiwa Mule na wa KWS park ba Oldonyo Sabuk kwa nitwethiwa na participation ya kwikia park kisio ni kitu kwa miaka mingi kisio kitu ikitwite kutha indo cio kwa nanga mionda lakini umuthi nitwithite twina utanu tandu mabanza ambani sub location Cheleni ward kumana sindu isu ni sienda sinzi yeyu nitukwatite utethio ula ukuka kwikia fence 22 km ku make sure nitwenda tutena the wildlife and human conflict kisioni kwa huu nitukulia bado kwa serikali twese the Human and Animal Conflict Act ila the bonde utethesia muno ku compensate ndo ala mekuiwa ni nguli na nguruwe mwitu nisiye kulika muno miondani na yana ngali utayuto twa wandu me complain mayasia mai maketha kendo kwa hiyo tukulia serikali kwisilamu vyani wa mbunge maitu masisi ba umarekebisha wesethia andu ala mekwa nangewa maliumo onamone mabiki yako compensate wa sasa tangule nisiye kwika madhara manene lakini kwa oyuto inotano kwa uya ola mekweka
na enende methameno tanu kituminundu nitwithitwa na thina mwingi pio na mucia kithekani kuya ulu yili kagumiondani yitu ikananga maleu na muikoka ikana ikaya indo situ no munthi twetha twa kikishwanisha serikali kuu kana ni kwikya wiyo electric fence kwa kilomita 200 na ile kendo sethia thina uciuna twapo kwa kuma yuni wa thela
yuhenda mwinga kwimile kwa wingi kukwatiania nthini wa isesoela ikethwa yitethwa ni serikali nene isesoela ikirelo ni cha kunengane nthi mawia nthini ula witha ithukumwa wa kwikia wiyo kima kiki nyamu cia kithekani
na ndikulia kwa wiotho witha wikika ba Cheleni nitukwatiania muno na andu ma KWS na tukamakulia ma make sure andu maitu mamuika kisioni ki ni mabikia kukwata mawia kwa kila ndo no kulia kwa muika ithumilie kwa wingi na twanengwa uyothu ni twithumie kwika na ngoi mwanundu uyo twa kuna nesa no ithie ututethia na tuyuka twi ready kulana also mawiyatha angiala meo masoma au ya ndano engineer nini ukaimusisi ondu tutona kwika ndu no learning experience na wewe no wiso bakwati attachment kwa uningo muthuthia mwithumilie kwa wingi
Kivu munene wa Cheleni Dominic Musau na kimenda enende kukuna alivoti kwa mituki la nyamusio kana miondeo ya nangone nyamusi ya kithekani no kana maandikithie na kuatia mitalala ya kuiwa ni serikali nene ila makwata wasio
andu ala metha matona kuiwa ng'ombe cio kana leuo kana ngwa miondani maripot ya immediately kumilela maofisini maitu ma administration na wildlife na police na itu yoselela kenda tuandika report yesu kenda compensation process yithiwe kila kingi uyola utejwa bani uya mwingi itukulia wanarika wetu wanjitokeze ili waweze kupata kazi
ndolangi kana makulu online ndina umokilia kwa serikali nene ni maundu ala matonya ukwata na mautejo kana milati ile tonya kuma kimani giki nyamusi ya kithekani ta maskulu malelu masvitali kati wa mondwangi
wale ambao walikuwa wanatengeneza management plan ile proposal yetu ya kuweka gate hapa Zambani inakubalika na wananchi so hatukukosea sivyo so mimi ningependa kuhakikishia ya kwamba gate itakuwepo hapa na nyingine itakuwa upande ile mwingine wa mito Itetani
dine Masako Matungulu Cheleni nyani tawaboni Mutisia
naende muveye mwana mundu iboni Mutisia twisonga na mbetwe kunikila maovo kumande sianza naende munini wa musumbe kumande ya Malawi Ndakitali Saulos Chilima no tangasi wa kutiwa nidhayo ena andwangi kenda amatiwe nidhayo itinawandekela imakwite iyo kwa na kuvaluka kiimani cha Chikangawa President Lazarus Chakwera no tangasi ya umundi tamuthenya wa kimeto kwa ndi ya Malawi Chilima ena muvango wako kitea kivila cha upresident mwakani ukite naende livoti sionani ya kanandeke valukile kumana na nzeve kwithiwa yinthu kunda kitali chilima hatiwe ni thayu ena miaka 50 na umwe naelekele kuungamia serikali mathikoni amwe ma umwe wa alama ya maofisa nene serikali ni Raf Kasambara na indi ndeke yumite kisioni cha Lilongwe yelekele Mzuzu.
And they have found it completely destroyed with no survivors, as all passengers on board were killed on impact. Words cannot describe how heartbreaking this is. We feel helpless because we know that the people who perished in this tragic and terrible accident could have been any one of us. And we feel helpless because a day like today reminds us that one day, and any day, death will in fact come for each one of us, and we will be powerless to stop it. That aircraft is an aircraft I have myself used on similar trips. An aircraft that others had used just the day before, and an aircraft that the crew had just operated successfully just hours before. Dr. Saus Klaus Chilima was a good man, a devoted father and husband, a patriotic citizen who served his country with distinction, and a formidable vice president. I consider it one of the greatest honors of my life to have had him as my deputy and counselor for the past 4 years. And his passing is a terrible loss to his wife, Mary, his family, his friends, his colleagues in the cabinet, and to all of us as a nation that found his leadership and courage a source of inspiration.
Naindi thayu wake uthiumwa kwa muguo naindi twisonga na mbere nake muka wake President Mwandu Rachel Ruto ni wawetaka na mutaratara mwe wa uiti kana Social Health Insurance Fund nukutethesia NND aingi ayumia ukuli okula kwi NND makwatane kwa ile mutaratara uo nundu wina utethi munene ko. Rachel ni wakathia uthukumi wa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwa kwiyumilia kwika mawaliuku muveani wa uiti na ala kuwetaka na nimeutethia namba nene ya NND ni wawetaka na mawaliuku nimeutethia vanene kwisila utumi wanze asia matuko aka na technology.
Tumekata zote kwa jina la Mungu Baba, Mwana na Roho Mtakatifu.
The national government bottom-up economic transformation agenda, BETR, has listed healthcare as one of the key pillars towards the responsibility of our nation. Our national healthcare journey has been long, expensive, and sometimes out of reach for many Kenyans due to geographical barriers and income disparities across the country. Kenyans have consistently requested that healthcare services be the most desired public service. This is a significant step in realizing the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto commitment to achieving universal healthcare coverage by integrating technology for healthcare delivery and fully functional primary healthcare mechanisms, including preventive, promotive, curative, palliative, and rehabilitative services. We urge the residents of this county to embrace the rollout of the Social Health Insurance Fund, which will see all Kenyans access quality health care without exclusion, in line with the policy of leaving no one behind.
And the Social Health Insurance Fund, Your Excellency, the very best thing that has happened is because we have 3 funds in it. One is called the Primary Care Fund, yenye itashughulikia the hospitals, the dispensaries, the health facilities zenye tunaita level 2 and level 3. The other one is the Social Health Insurance Fund, ile tulikuwa tunaita NHIF. And now we have the Chronic Illness Fund. Mamangu akiwa nyumbani, ama mama zangu wale wako hapa, akigonjeka, and the disease is a long-term disease like cancer, mambo ya dialysis, tunashinda kwa WhatsApp sahi, tukichangia kila mtu, everybody will be treated. If your card for social health insurance haifikishi pale, then we have a fund called the Chronic Illness Fund.
3 weeks alone.